accessory and the swing one, because this little one is out. And I got his bottle right here in my food, so I'm about to just eat while I can. While he's sleeping, I'm gonna eat real quick, and then I'll feed him. I'll wake him up and feed him. So it's been a few hours and I'm back. I'm making dinner now. It's like 4 o'clock and I'm making this pepper steak and rice. So it's just, that's what I call it. I don't remember the technical term for it. I think it's just like pepper steak, but this is what it looked like. It has beef and some onion, pepper, like that. And I'm about to get ready to make the salsa. I already started cooking this part, and then I'm gonna boil some rice here in a minute. So let me have y'all propped up. I'm gonna prop y'all up while I make the sauce. Let me go grab some soy sauce. Okay, y'all, so you can't see me. I'm giving you with the Kelly because I'm trying to get this in the picture. But these are the ingredients you need. You need this right here. I always can never say it, but I think it's Worcestershire. You need some soy sauce. I have this one. I usually use this one would start with a K, like the Asian brand, but they were out, so I got this Simple Truth. And you need some brown sugar. So you're gonna take 5 tablespoons of each liquid sauce. So 1, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you take 5 tablespoons of each, like that. And then you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use light brown or dark brown. To be honest, I got kind of a little bit of both in here. Mostly gonna be brown, dark brown. You're gonna take 2 tablespoons of this. And I'm gonna get a bigger one like that because I kind of shorted myself on the last one. So there you go. I'm gonna leave it in there for a minute. I use this. It goes to my like cake maker, but I like to use it because it's like a little small whisk. And then I take this and I whisk it up. And this is what's gonna give it the most, like the flavor. So let me give y'all a little bit of a rundown. In here I seasoned this with like salt, pepper, garlic, and then I had put 1 bouillon cube. Again, I just got this Kroger brand beef bouillon cube right here. I put 1 of these with some water in here, and so that's what I got cooking, and that's what I cooked it in. So it has some flavor already, but this is going to give it that actual, this is going to give it that actual beef broccoli flavor, beef pepper steak. Like when you go to an Asian restaurant, you order this is what gives you that flavor. So I pour this on there, and it's got the brown sugar in there. We're gonna get all that out. Alright, bet. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is put a little bit of water in this. Like that much. Not a lot. Really, yeah, that much. So I'm putting a little water in there, and then I'm gonna grab my cornstarch, and I'm gonna use a little bit of cornstarch in here. So I'm a cornstarch, and I'm just gonna use like a little bit. I like to make this separate than the sauce. Some people mix it all together, and that's fine. It's whatever your preference is. I'm not the best with cornstarch, and I don't want any clumps, so I do mine separate. So I just take a little bit, like a tablespoon of cornstarch, put it in there. This is gonna thicken up the sauce. So right now the sauce is loose, and this is gonna give it like a thick texture. And so I make mine separate just in case I ever have any lumps. I don't have to mess up my whole meal. So I make it separate. It's still slick thin right now. It's a little bit thinner. I pour some cornstarch in there and I'm gonna let it cook and see how thick the sauce get. If I need to add more, then I can just add more cornstarch, or I can add more soy sauce, whatever, to taste. But this is usually like a good mixture. Those measurements that I gave y'all is what I usually do, but I don't usually have this much beef. So I'm gonna let this cook now. I'm gonna put a lid on it because the vegetables are kind of cooked but not really. Okay y'all, so pretty much this is the finished product. That's the beef, the peppers and onions, and then this is the rice. This is in a to-go box because my friend is actually going to stop by and take some of this with her. So this is for my friend. I'm not going to eat just yet. But when I make my plate, I may show y'all how I plate it. Because I actually sit this on top of the rice. But because she's, you know, taking it to go, I put it in one of these little to-go boxes like this. So this is for her. And this is what it looks like. Really good. Really easy to make. So I put more syrup in here now, so it tastes a lot better. I had them give me more syrup because this the almond milk sugar cookie latte, and it's just okay. Like, I wouldn't buy it again. That's all I'm gonna say. I wouldn't buy it again. It's like, it tastes like it's missing some type of cream, like whipped cream, cold foam, or something. Lennox, it's okay, boo-boo. We finna drive now. We gonna drive now. You don't gotta keep crying, boo-boo. He like, can you move the car, please? Hurry up, lady. So that's it. That's the almond milk sugar cookie latte. What would I give it? Out of 10, I'd give it like a 5.